was looking for the school that had the best reputation in Chicago.
It's located right in the city of Chicago, and I love the atmosphere here.
I chose DePaul because it provided a learning experience for me that truly transformed the way I think.
It had to do with my area of concentration. Their program here was top-notch.
I just felt really confident with DePaul as a school overall, just like the way it teaches morals and ethics.
DePaul is Chicago's law school. There are 14,000 living graduates of DePaul Law School in the United States, 8,500 of them in Chicago itself.
DePaul has a lot of graduates practicing in Chicago in various different fields, and so I know that there's that whole networking aspect as well.
To be able to reach out and say, hey, I went to DePaul, and at least, let's talk, it's just invaluable.
What makes the curriculum so special is the fact that it's driven by our faculty. Our faculty is an extraordinarily accomplished group of people, and we have international leaders in human rights, international law, in jury trials, in intellectual property, in the death penalty jurisprudence.
If I were the lawyer for the plaintiff, though, the patient, this is what I would argue.
The important part, I think, of the professors was they went out of their way to help us understand the basic concepts.
There's just a very real community atmosphere. It's very collaborative.
We're all competing against one another, just like at any other school, but it's not this cutthroat environment.
The biggest help is that we push each other.
I think it's very important that we regard the work of the student as directed towards a particular goal. We allow them to make certain selections with respect to what we call specializations. You may wish to go through the law school specializing in criminal law, or intellectual property, or international law, or family law, or any number of different areas.
They surround you with all these gateways. They can tailor to every different type of person that needs and wants a degree.
The law is not simply what's learned in the classroom. We've created so many of these externship opportunities for students to see what the world is like.
You have all these options of, clerking at the federal courthouse or getting all sorts of externships or internships or summer associates just in and around the city of Chicago.
The combination of experiences that were offered to me here really helped make a difference in my legal career and the opportunities that ultimately came my way. And for that, I'll be eternally grateful.
We believe that our graduates are ready to go into the world, to do the job that's asked of them, with expertise, with confidence. That's been our record, and that will continue to be our record.
DePaul is really a national or even internationally recognized name.
I think it, has a lot of pull having a JD from DePaul.
This was a great school, and it has a great network to help me advance.
I tell my friends they should come to DePaul. I'm really happy with my decision.